If you've ever hosted a big family dinner and realized your oven is completely overloaded before the turkey is even halfway done, you already know how stressful holiday cooking can get. Between dry meat, uneven cooking, and trying to keep side dishes warm at the same time, preparing large meals can feel more exhausting than enjoyable. That's where the Heynemo 28-quart electric roaster oven comes in. It's designed for families, holiday hosts, and anyone who regularly cooks for large groups, but wants a simpler, less stressful setup than relying entirely on a traditional oven. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out with this roaster oven is the size. At 28 quarts, it's clearly built for large meals, and it has enough space to handle oversized turkeys, hams, roasts, or multiple dishes at once. Despite the capacity, it still feels relatively compact compared to firing up a full-size oven all day. The black stainless steel finish gives it a cleaner and more modern appearance than some of the older-style roaster ovens that look dated right out of the box. It blends into a kitchen surprisingly well, instead of looking like a temporary holiday appliance you want to hide away immediately after dinner. The visible self-basting lid is honestly one of the most practical features here. Instead of constantly lifting the lid to check the turkey and releasing heat every time, you can monitor cooking progress through the viewing window. Meanwhile, the self-basting design helps circulate moisture continuously throughout the cooking process, which makes a noticeable difference when roasting meats for several hours. If you've struggled with dry turkey breast in the past, this feature alone could make holiday cooking feel much more forgiving. What I also appreciate is how beginner-friendly the overall design feels. The controls are simple, with adjustable temperatures ranging from 150 to 450 degrees, so you're not stuck dealing with confusing digital menus or complicated presets. You can roast, bake, slow cook, or simply keep food warm, depending on what you're making. That flexibility makes it useful beyond just Thanksgiving dinners. You could realistically use this for pulled pork, pot roast, baked potatoes, casseroles, or even meal prep during busy weeks. In real-world use, the roaster heats up fairly quickly, especially compared to a traditional oven. The preheat time only takes around 15 to 20 minutes, which saves time during busy cooking days when every minute suddenly matters. The warm function is another feature that sounds small but becomes incredibly useful during family gatherings. Instead of food cooling down while guests arrive late or side dishes finish cooking, everything stays at serving temperature without drying out too aggressively. Noise levels are minimal, too, which is nice because some countertop appliances constantly hum or click while running. This one mostly stays quiet in the background, letting you focus on cooking instead of listening to the appliance itself. Cleanup is also refreshingly manageable. The removable roasting pan and inner rack make washing everything much easier compared to scrubbing grease out of a traditional oven. And since the cooking area is smaller and more contained, splatter and mess are usually less overwhelming overall. Now, to keep things balanced, there are a couple of trade-offs worth mentioning. First, this is still a large appliance, so storage could become an issue if your kitchen already lacks space. Also, while the controls are easy to use, they do feel fairly basic compared to premium smart ovens or high-end roasters with advanced cooking programs. But honestly, for most people, simplicity is probably an advantage here rather than a downside. Compared to similar electric roaster ovens in this price range, the Heynemo model holds up surprisingly well. Some cheaper competitors struggle with uneven heating or flimsy construction, while more expensive brands often charge significantly more without dramatically improving the actual cooking experience. This one feels like a practical middle ground where you're getting strong capacity, reliable cooking performance, and useful convenience features without spending premium appliance money. Overall, the Heynemo 28-quart electric roaster oven feels like a genuinely helpful kitchen upgrade for large families, holiday hosts, or anyone tired of fighting for oven space during big meals. It simplifies cooking, keeps meats juicy, and makes entertaining feel less chaotic. If that sounds useful for your kitchen setup, check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before holiday demand starts pushing stock levels down. And if you enjoyed this review, Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more honest product reviews focused on REAL everyday use instead of overhyped marketing promises.